Okay. Yeah, I'm just worried. So when you start a stream, it sends out email to everybody or everybody who wants to get emails with the title of the stream. And I'm like, well, if it's wrong, then I don't want those people to get email. I don't know if that is affected by this. Who knows? Yeah, I guess I didn't. I guess I didn't click the update information button. Thank Twitch for that. Okay. We are only programming. We are not gaming right now. We're not gaming. Would a standing desk and a high ergo stool help with your joint problems due to long hours of working? Depends on what your joint problems are. You can fix a lot. Like if it's in your hands, I don't think standing desk has much to do with it. If it's somewhere else, like in your neck or something, then maybe it's easier to deal with, but I mean, I think most problems are addressable both standing and sitting, so the question is just which of those you would prefer. Do we have any projects on GitHub? Well, the answer is no, we don't have any projects on GitHub. So, sorry, it's just not how we work. Will we be getting the new NVIDIA whatever? At some point, yeah, we're too busy to just randomly mess around with something like that. But it's interesting that they are doing it. Although I'm sure NVIDIA, like the appeal of ray tracing is like, oh, maybe you don't need graphics drivers and all this stuff. And you can just simply render. But of course, the way NVIDIA is going to do it, you'll have more complicated graphics drivers than ever, and you'll be subject to more graphics driver bugs than ever. So I'm a little bit not looking forward to it from that standpoint, I hate to say. But it's true. My mic is clipping. I don't know what to do about that. Look, Windows randomly changes the volume of shit all the time at this point. Like, from day to day, I don't understand why my mic is high or low. Dude, it's turned down to less than half physically on the mic. Hello, hello. It's turned way down. It's turned to minus 13 dB in OBS. And in recording devices, it's probably turned way down. Look, oh wait, there it clipped. Like, I don't even know. Like, is 100 just not the right thing to have it at? Then why is it 100? Is it supposed to be at 50? I don't actually know. Because it's Windows and it's a giant garbage. Testing, testing, testing. 50 is way too low. Okay, so 50 is way too low. $50 is way too low and 100 is clipping. That's great. That's great. Actually, hold on. Let me leave this at 50. I'm going to turn the volume on the mic itself up because that may help. How is this? Is this audible? It's still super quiet. Okay, so it has to be between 70 and 90 to be audible, but not 100 because 100 clips. What did they do? This didn't used to be a problem, so they must have just, in one of the recent Windows updates that it bugs me to install every hour, they must have horribly broken audio volume. Because this doesn't make any sense. Like everything is turned to, yeah. Yeah, clipping is automatically bad. What do you mean clipping isn't automatically bad? You shouldn't ever clip. All right. Let's stop complaining about Windows and start doing some work. So right now we have this situation. For the last few programming streams, we were working on audio stuff and we made an audio tweak file. So I can go to here. Here we go. I was at the bottom of the file. Stuff has been inserted up here. So, you know, for any given sound, you could say how many versions there are, how loud it should be, how much. We added a constant pitch offset, not during the stream, so you can offset the pitch. You can add random variations to volume and pitch amount. So this is just, you know, you can tweak these while the game is running and it's all good. However, one of the ways we did that is, you know, we need to have a place where these things are stored. And right now we have them here. We have this tweaks, that's sound tweaks. And that's in this thing that's supposed to be a library for the mixer. And whereas a lot of people might want to do this, they may want to do it their own way, and they may not want it to be tied to low-level audio sample mixing code, which people may want to repurpose for other reasons. So what I want to do is take this out of here and put it somewhere else in the application level. The thing is, this is part of this sound. You see, even this comment is old, but like, yeah, there's too much game-specific stuff in this sound data struct. Although maybe not so much anymore. Like this is maybe a little questionable. But this certainly shouldn't be here. So we're going to move this to application level. The thing is, at application level, we have the way we load